Now we're going to take a look at how the system tracks content that's been created and published. Basically, we have two text labels here, content updated at and content published at. When you edit content here, like when you pull it and it auto-saves or you save it manually, a date and time will appear here as it has in this case. Now, if I edit something again, it will pick up the change, and when I refresh, we'll see a new time. Like so. Now, this will register any changes that you make here, and that will be more important in just a moment. Next, we have content published at. So that refers to when the report and the system detect that the content in the content editor matches what is in the report URL. For the system to track this, a scrape must happen, either by way of the scheduled scrapes that happen periodically for the report, weekly, monthly, etc., whatever you set it to, or by manually performing a rescrape on the report URL by clicking this rescrape button. You should also know that this service costs a couple of credits, like rescraping any other competitor. So now we're going to rescrape this just to activate the system so that we can see the update for this text label. Now that the rescraping has finished, we can see that the content published at text label has updated and the system has detected that the content was indeed published. When this happens, we also see in the reports table that there is now a date for when the content was published. In this report, we'll take a look at an example where content was updated after it was published. The result of this is that we have a little warning here. Now, this warning tells us that the text is now out of sync and we need to rescrape to fix this. We can do things that way, but we should also know that there's a different way. If sometimes, for whatever reason, the system should fail to pick up the content that's on the URL through rescraping or normal scraping process, we also have this button here that looks like a little edit button. When we click this, that allows us to mark the last timestamp in the report as being published. So click this. And reach the notification, I refreshed, and now we can see that the warning sign is gone. To remove it, we can also click here, and it will be gone.